Hello, hello. This is Kateri. I am doing a video tonight to let you know that tomorrow at 12 Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, October the 22nd, we, and the we is myself and Maddie and Madison from Spectrum Art and Rosie with Rosie's Crafty Shack, and then Abril with Crafter in Rough. We are getting together and doing a sale, and garage sale or craft. It's not really a craft sale, but anyway, we are getting together and we are all going to be selling something different, and we are going to take turns. One person will sell one thing and then we'll move to somebody else. And so we'll rotate. Now, if you are interested in buying from from four of us, you need to email, and we will put our emails in. My email is in the description box below, but we will put our emails in the chat. Before we get started, you need to email us your real name, your home address or mailing address, and everything is done through PayPal. So, anyway, let's see, I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I forgot, right off hand? With my things, shipping is going to be an additional, and, on top of, what the price is, and I will, do my very best to keep the mailing as cheap as I possibly can. So if I can send it media mail, it's going media mail. And so it just depends on how much everybody buys to what the cheapest is going to be, of course. So I think that's all. And if I've forgotten anything, I will run through it all tomorrow, as all of us will. So we hope to see everyone there. And don't forget, it's 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Bye-bye.